To join Google Classroom for any of your classes as at Annandale High School, you will first click on Google Chrome. Once you open up Google Chrome, it'll take you to the Fairfax County website. On the top banner, you will see FCPS Google Apps. You will click on Google Apps. It may ask you to log in. If it asks you to log in with your Google account, your fcpsschools.net. Once you log in, it'll take you to your Google Drive. This is your Google Drive. You will click on the Google Apps buttons on the side, and then you will click on Classroom. The plus on the right-hand corner of your screen, you will click on that. Next, you will say Join Class. For my class, I have sent you an email with your Google Classroom code. So you will go back to your Drive, go back to the Apps button, click on Gmail. You will see my name, Ms. Purohit. You will highlight the code, right-click, copy, go back to Google Classroom, and then you will paste it and press Join. Once you are in the class, if you are in my environmental science class, this is the screen you will see. If you are in my biology class, you will see this screen. It'll say 2020-21 Biology 1. Environmental Science will say 2020-2021 Environmental Science.